Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am wearing Tudung People new square hijab. This is a very easy style that you can wear under 60 seconds. So if you want to know more about how to wear this, or you just want to know more information about this collection, you can check on the link down below. Happy watching! Start with turning the square hijab to triangle like this. Alright, you start at 1/3 of the triangle. Pin it inside like this. So this is how it looks like, and you take the longer part, just bring it over like this. And also pin here. So this is the end look. Well, if the back is too short for you, what you can do, you take this and instead of pinning it at the front, you can pin it at the back. So you're gonna get So you get both the front coverage and the back coverage.